unbox a package with me from the Reformation. I'm on the quest to find the perfect jean under 200 bucks. So I got 2 jeans from the Reformation. Let's try them out. First impressions, love the color. Definitely the shade that I was going for. They're called Wilder High Rise Leg Cropped Jeans, and they're in the color Dylan in the size 24. Right off the bat, they're a little bit tighter than what I was expecting. They are tight. They are very tight right here. I'm obsessed with the color. I'm obsessed with the length. I'm 5'2". All right, let's try the other one.